Hi everyone, this is Chimba and welcome back to Alicia Creations, and today we're going to be making this loose summer dress using the double crochet and the single crochet. The written pattern is available for sizes extra small to 4 extra large. The links are in the description box below. The supplies you're going to need are 3 colors of category 3 yarn, a 4mm hook, some stitch markers, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, and some darning needles. The measurements you're going to need are your shoulder to shoulder measurements, your neck opening, half the size of your sleeve, and shoulder to the desired length of the dress. So let's begin. To begin, you're going to make a chain of multiples of 4 plus 2 of your shoulder to shoulder measurements. If you're making extra small to 4 extra large, the number of stitches you need to make are on the screen. I'm making a medium and I'm going to make 66 stitches. And then in the 4th stitch from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet and then work double crochet in all the stitches until the end of the row. And I'll see you when I'm done with my row. Once you're done with the row, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to work double crochet rows until half the size of the sleeve. So to keep the edges straight, you're going to start with a double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet all the stitches, and you're going to work a few more rows of double crochets until you get half the size of your sleeve. And if you're working extra small to 4 extra large, the number of rows are indicated on the screen. I'm working a medium, so I'll work a total of 15 rows and I'll see you when I'm done. I'm now going to work the neck opening, and I'm going to work equal number of stitches on the side and make a chain in the middle. If you're working extra small and to 4 extra large, the number of stitches will be indicated on the screen. So I'm working a medium, so I'm going to double crochet 18 stitches to where I've placed a stitch marker. Then we're going to make a chain, form the neck opening, and then work the other side. So I'll see you when I get to the stitch marker. So I'm now here where I have placed the stitch marker after working my 18 stitches, and I'm now going to make a chain of 28, and then I'm going to skip 28 stitches, which is where I have placed the stitch marker, and then double crochet the remainder of the stitches, which should be 18. And now I'm at the end of the row, and I'm going to turn my work, and my next row will be double crochets in all the stitches and the chains to start working the front side of the dress. So this is the first row of the other side of the dress, and you're going to continue working the rows until you have the same number of rows as you had before you did the neck opening, which will be indicated on the screen. I'm going to go and work off camera, and I'm going to come back and we're going to join the sides and increase for the chest. So now I'm done with the other side. I've worked the same number of rows as this side, which is 15. This will be my sleeve opening. So now we're going to fold this into two, line it together, and then we're going to join, and from here we're going to be working in a round, but we'll be turning at the beginning of each round. So you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch, chain one, and then work a double crochet in the same stitch. That's your first stitch. And we're going to increase in this round as well. So we're going to be increasing every fourth stitch. So this stitch counts as a stitch, the turning stitch counts as a stitch, and we're going to work 3 more stitches. 2, 3, and then in the fourth stitch you're going to work a double crochet, 2 double crochets, then work 3 more stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth stitch you're going to work 2 double crochets. Then 1, 2, and 3, and in the next stitch you're going to work 2 double crochets. Continue until you get here, and we're going to join there together and continue in a round. So I'll see you when I get to the first end. I'm now at the end, and I'm going to work my very last stitch, which should be 2 double crochets, and then slip stitch into the first stitch we made, chain 1 and turn. From here, so this will be your underarm, so that's your sleeve and your underarm, and then from here we're going to work, this is now the chest area, so we're going to work from underarm to below your chest, and we're not going to increase, we're just going to work double crochets in each stitch. So to begin, you're going to start with a double crochet in the same stitch, and then just double crochet in each of the stitches. And you're going to continue working the rows without increasing until your waist measurement. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to increase and then change colors. So I'm now finished with my length to below my chest, and I'm going to slip stitch when I finish the last stitch, and then I'm going to slip stitch and join. Now I'm going to increase on this row, then change colors, and I'm going to increase in every second stitch. So you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then work a double crochet in the same stitch, and then in the next stitch you're going to work 2 double crochets, and then work a double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets, then a double crochet in the next stitch, crochets and a double crochet. So you're basically alternating two double crochets and a double crochet until the end of the row, and I'm going to see you at the end of the row and we're going to change colors. So I'm now at the end of the round and I'm going to slip stitch to join, and at this point I'm going to change colors. So I'm going to cut my yarn and just start with a new color completely. So next color I'm going to use is this blue. Yeah, it's going to be a very bright dress, and you're going to whichever method you use is fine. Chain one, double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet in each of the stitches. So we're not increasing, we're just double crocheting. And you're going to work your second color until you are 2/3 completed with the length of your dress. So whatever the length, so it will be color 1 and color 2 until you're done 2/3, and then you're going to increase with the second color and then change colors to a third color. You can use the whole dress with one color if you want, but I think it's gonna be more fun with multiple colors. So I'm gonna go off camera and continue with my double crochet until I am 2/3 completed with my work, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to work the last, we're going to increase and work the last color together. So I'm now done with my second color. This is just about 2/3 of my dress, but I'm going to stop here. I'm actually running out of this color, so I'm going to stop here, but if you can make it to all the way to 2/3. So now, as I said, we're going to increase again. This will be a third increase, and we're going to do it the same way we did the second time. So we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet. And you're going to continue with this until the end of the round. When you're done, you're going to change color and not increase again. So I'm going to see you when I'm changing colors. So I'm now done with this second color. Oh, I love the color combo. And now I'm going to add a new color, and I know it's an odd color combo. You can do your own color combos. So I'm going to add a new color, make a slip knot and pull through, and now within the other one, chain and turn. And you're going to just continue working double crochet in each stitch all round until you get the length of your dress, and then you're done. So I'm just working under the tail, cover it up, and I'm just going to continue working double crochet in each stitch until I get the length and I'm done. So to finish the neckline, I'm going to join yarn on the side, make a slip knot and pull through, chain one, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Then you're just going to work a round of single crochet in each stitch all round. So one single crochet in each stitch, and that will be your finishing of the neckline. So we're going to work the ruff on the sleeves and around the neck. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to join my yarn. I normally just make a knot. Starting from the underarm, I'm going to chain one, single crochet in the same stitch, and then two single crochet in each of the rows. So work two single crochet in each of the rows all round. And I'm now at the end of the row, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch, chain one and turn. Then I'm going to work a double crochet in the same stitch and then work two double crochets in each of the stitches all round. And you're going to continue until the end of the round, and once you're at the end of the round, you can cut your yarn and weave in the ends. Don't forget to add ruffles on the other side. We're really going for a mild ruffle and not a dramatic ruffle. And you're done. Check out the video on the screen of the houndstooth crochet dress shirt. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Until next time, thank you for watching.